hope everybody's having a great day. I know it's been a minute since you guys have seen me, but I wanted to come and share with you some things that I did get on the 325 release. You guys, what did you get? I will be making a couple of videos to kind of share with the Coach release. I didn't get a lot of things, but I wanted to come and share with you with what I got. It's been a long time, you guys. I have gone through grief, lost some people, had some health issues, but I am trying to get myself back together. So I am back to come and share with you guys. If you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe. I certainly appreciate you just stopping by to check on me, and just, all the ones that were checking on me and reaching out. I truly, truly appreciate it. It was well appreciated. But without further ado, I am going to go ahead and jump into it. Again, this will be a couple of videos in the breakdown. So, you guys, while we're on that, I am a Coach lover. That is one of my favorite brands. But lately, I've been a little disappointed in some of the things that's been happening. I actually have purchased some items and I have sent back. And you guys, I dealt with some delivery issues, and the packages were sent back to my address. They put the wrong address down. You guys, it's just been a whirlwind. And so actually, it took about 5 to 6 calls to get it corrected. I speak to a manager, but they did make it right. They did give me 30% off my future order. So you guys, all these items that I received, I got 30% off. So I appreciate that as they trickle in. Now, what I don't understand and I don't like is that FedEx is now delivering, because it's become horrible. And I don't like that when you place one order, you get, like right now, I'm currently waiting on 5 items and they're all being delivered, 5 different deliveries. So we just got to do better. But I am going to go ahead and jump into it. So we're speaking on the Love Denim and the pink. What did you guys get? Did you get anything? Let me know in the chat and tell me if you got anything during this release, or if you chose to, not get anything. I am going to start out with some things that I got to go with the items, and then we will go into the actual Coach items. So first things first is kind of tell you what I actually got. I found this charm, you guys. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? It is a denim charm, distressed. It has the braid here. It has a heart with gold stars, a gold link with a gold heart. And this is kind of like a little lightning. Look at this, like so. I found this at TJ Maxx, you guys, for $14.99. And I knew that the denim was coming out because, of course, you guys, all the Coach update TikTokers and YouTube and Facebook groups let you know way in advance before stuff is coming out. So I kind of prepared. When I seen this, I thought to myself, this is going to go very well with what I want. And I thought this was just so cute, and not $95 or $195 or $200 for a charm, which would equal out to a bag. So this is the first item that I got to go with the item that I ordered. So if you know what I got, go ahead and post it in the chat. Excuse me, you guys. Still trying to get over this. This weather is up and down. Just can't seem to shake it. The next item that I got, and again, this charm came from TJ Maxx. So check your local Marshalls or TJ Maxx, and I'm sure you can find this. But I thought this would be so cute. The next item that I got was from, now I know you guys are going to kill me, but I happened to go in there. Target. This is a denim hat. Someone had posted this, and I went to the website and found this hat. It was $14.99, and as you can see, I love that it has the dark denim and light denim. So as you can see, it kind of goes as well with the charm. So I'm a cap wearer, you guys. I love hats. So I thought this was beautiful, and someone had posted this, and so I went and ordered this one item, and this is by the brand Universal Threads. So And it's kind of made like the Coach caps, if you have any of the caps from Coach. So I thought it's just a crisp, clean cap, nothing, no wording or anything like that. And here's the inside of it. And I thought this would be so cute with what the items that I ordered. So this is the second item. And again, I purchased this from Target. Okay. I'll just set those items right there. The next item that I got is a Coach item. Let me go ahead and bring it up. I did unbox. I opened the box, but let me get the item out. The next item I got is, if you know this box, Coach has been putting a lot of their items in these type of boxes. But these are shoes, you guys. I got a pair of sandals. And here we are. I am a size 7.5. So if you want to know the details. And I thought these were so cute. Now, some would say I wouldn't pay that much for those sandals. Pick and choose what you want to spend your money on. Sandals over a charm. You know, some of us have charms that could be shoes. So, I digress. So, these were a total of $155. And like I said, there are some charms that have come out that are equal to this that I just, what can I get? I can get a bag. I can get a pair of shoes. So I thought these were so stinking cute. And when I tell you guys, these are light. And they are nice. I mean, the thick denim. This is not a thin denim. I love that it has the gold hardware. Now, you know I'm a silver girl, but as you can see, I'll mix metals. But I thought this was so cute. And I'm just trying to get different type of styles of shoes. I have a lot of the Coach sandals, but they are all kind of the same style. I'm kind of, you know, what you like, what you like. But I thought these were cute when they came out with these. And they kind of give the distressed look as well. They're not as far as color wise. So they kind of go with that faded look, as you can see. So it's not all one color. It is that beautiful blue. It has the Coach logo here. Like I said, the gold hardware. And when I tell you they're not heavy, if you know some of Coach's sandals, they are heavy. And this is retail. But these are nice. And I thought they would be so cute and fun for the summer. So instead of getting a charm that I really wanted, I decided to get something, shoes, because I have too many charms at this point. But again, I thought these were so adorable. And like I said, if you want to know, these are the Violin Denim in the dark indigo. They call this dark indigo. And these also come in a black and a cream. I want the cream colors as well because I kind of seen them in person and I was like, oh, these would be nice. So again, $3.25 for lace denim is what I got. And then the next item, you guys, I got, put that down, is the hot commodity that everybody was wanting, is the outlet denim Rowan. This is the regular size. I did not get the large. I did already unwrap her because, again, she was fully wrapped. And I mean, they wrapped all the charms and whatnot on it. This is my size for me. You guys know I am 5'1". I have one large Rowan in my collection. It's just a bigger bag. And the only reason why I don't go with the large is because my Speedies are that size. And I don't think I need another one, but I rarely grab for those unless I'm traveling. But for like a everyday size for me, the regular size Rowan is my go-to. So I thought this was very fun. Again, one of my favorite silhouettes is the Rowans, the rubies, now the compass. So this is, I love a Boston bag, and that's what this is. I know a lot of people were like, for denim, but I just thought this was a nice piece. And I felt like I can dress this up or down. So it comes with the gold hardware. It did come with all these charms. So you get the yellow large tag. This is not the extra large, but just the large. It came with a dice, which is silver tagged. It has the blue hang tag. And then it came with this tie, which with a gold Coach C. There is a back pocket like every other Rowan, like so. And if you want to know, there is the tag. It is sold out, but I have seen it popping up, and you know, just like all the other bags. Now, I have seen a lot of people posting that. Look at the zipper, you guys. This zipper is like butter. I mean, look at that. Very nice. It does come with a strap, crossbody strap. And I love these because everybody's bag that I notice kind of looks different because of the wash. Let me take this stuff out of it. It has inside it is again that deep blue. It's almost the color of this shoe. This part of the shoe inside. So it's not black. Hopefully the light is catching it. It has the regular normal Rowan style, the one slip pocket over the zip pocket, and then on this side it has a slip pocket. Yeah, I was indecisive if I wanted to get this because I am rolling out. I have too many, but I felt like this was a fun bag that I can dress up. I've seen a lot of people taking all the charms off and selling them and just using this as a canvas, putting their own spin on it. I love that. I have thought about that. I have some pins and different things. It's just something that you can do, and I love that it's just like a blank canvas that you can do whatever you want with it. I love the concept of Coach adding the charms. I know a lot of people have been complaining about the price, but for you to get these extra charms and whatnot, I felt like it was worth it. Now, if you do purchase this, any of my denim items and suede items, I tend to treat, because again, this is a light wash, and even the handles are denim. So I would recommend that you protect this bag, and even with the cap that I bought, I'm going to protect it. And so a lot of people had asked me, what do I use to protect my bags? I use this, which is the Apple brand, and it says leather and fabric protector, and I just spray it down a couple of times. I spray it down all over from the handles to the bottom of the bags, and let it air dry, and then I go back and add. You can add as many layers as you want. Once it dries, the water will repel off of it, so you can take it out in the rain, a lot of the dirt, and it's just easier to clean. So this is the product that I use. There are some other products that other people use. Carbon, I've heard of that one as well, but this tends to be the go-to because I can get it at my local store pretty easy and not have to order it. So I will be protecting this bag and spraying it down like so, as well as my hat and my shoes. So again, look at this charm. Again, I know you guys, I already got a charm to go with them. It came with it, but I thought this was so stinking cute to go with this bag. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach her like so. Look at that. Isn't that cute and fun? So yeah, I probably won't, like, again, most of the time I'll add my own charms, but I do like the concept the Coach is doing now by adding these charms. It does give you something extra for your bucks. And again, look at the cap, you guys. Can you see the vision? It doesn't matter what I wear. Look at that. Look at that. I can't wait. And the shoes, now the shoes is not exactly to match the bag. I just wanted these denim shoes. But again, you can wear the shoes with it. It is a darker blue, but Huma has all the denim matching, and it's crazy because we had casual day today, and so I'm in my church. This is my church logo. We all wore denim in our logo, so it's kind of go match with what I have on. But yeah, this is, I didn't wear this bag, but this is nice denim bag to add to the collection. I don't think I need any more denim. But a lot of my denim, you guys, is signature denim. So I'm loving, I think the only bag that I got that's denim that's not signature, well, I have two. The tabby 26 and the multiple color tabby stripes. And then also the chain tabby denim. But it's a darker denim. So this is, I love this light wash on this bag. So yeah. Did you guys get anything from this? And if so, let me know. I also love that the handles, are able to go down. I just love the Rowan. I love a Boston bag. And that's just, like I said, that's one of my favorite style bags. So this is part one of the items that I'm starting to receive. Like I said, I have 5 different deliveries of my items being delivered. Again, Coach has to do better. You guys, I'm not currently doing a lot of shopping. I'm catching things. Well, let me say this. I'm shopping, but I'm being smart with what I'm buying. Things I want to try to buy different things that I don't have in my collection, different styles. So that is what I'm shooting for. I don't think I'm going to get any more Rowans because, again, I have enough of them, and I'm possibly considering selling a lot of my Rowans because I'm leaning more so towards, I love the leather. That's the compasses are kind of drawing me in, and so there are some things that I'm working on with my collection. But I am cultivating things that I like and just not buying it just to be buying it. I want things in my collection that are different, not the same. Definitely colors. You guys know I love colors. So yeah, I'll be coming back to share with you guys more of the things that I receive. And like I said, what did you get? Did you get anything from the retail? Did you get anything from the outlet? Also, tell me, have you heard of the combining the retail and the outlet together as one? My store has already done that for since last year. They had a corner for retail and a corner for outlet. But the new thing that Coach is trying to do with their websites, it was a disaster. I know things take time, but they do need to fix that. So give me some feedback on what you think about that. And like I said, and also, how are you feeling about all these different drops? That's another reason why I'm not grabbing every single thing that pops out, because they're dropping so much that things are going on sale so fast. So if you truly want something, one of our sisters has said that don't wait if you know that you want something. But if it's just something that's on your radar, you probably can wait, because 9 times out of 10, it's going to go on sale or it's going to increase. So if you really want it, grab it the night of or the day that it drops, because I've noticed that different items are increasing within a week after they've been released, or days. So I would say definitely grab them. But yeah, you guys, let me know. I'm doing a lot of talking. I'll be back to record some more videos and talk to you guys soon. Again, thank you for watching.